Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check transaction history in Kukai Wallet. Kukai Wallet is a web-based non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet designed specifically for the Tezos XTZ blockchain. And non-custodial means you fully control your wallet, your private keys and your funds. No company holds them. Kukai Wallet allows you to store, manage Tezos, XTZ and Tezos-based tokens, send and receive crypto securely. You can also view your transaction history and activity connect to the Tezos T apps and app platform login using your direct auth, Google, Twitter, Reddit or the traditional seed place. Once you open to first you need to open any of the web browser in laptop. In the top you can see there's an address bar. What you can do is select wallet.kukai.app and enter it, and over here you'll automatically enter into this Kukai interface dashboard here. And after logging in, right here you can stay on this main wallet screen. This is the screen that shows your balance over here. Located over here, transaction activity, you will usually see your recent activity, transaction and activity log. This section automatically loads your wallet's transaction history, and in the transaction list each entry typically shows your date and time, transaction type, sent, received, amount of the XTZ token that you have, status, confirmed, applied, plot wallet address, preview, and this list shows all the recent transactions linked to your wallet address. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.